Okay, so I want to insert an image into my web page, and I want to put a gradient over the top, so then I could write text over the top. I'm going to show you how to do this. If you click the blue to make a new section, and again I want this to be full width. I will show you how to do other stuff shortly, but this is just the beginning bit. So I don't actually want a module as of yet, because I just want to work on the background. So we go to background on the blue section, and we hit image, and there's an image of Muhammad Ali I would like to use. So I'm going to insert this again, put in a title, use the same alternate title, and then put in a description describing what's going on. Okay, so as you can see, it covers the full width. At the moment you're probably thinking you can't really see a lot, but you'll see the reason why shortly. But I want to put a gradient in. So to the left of the picture of the background, there's this box, and you can click add background gradient. So we want to add a background to this. You can choose whatever colours you like, but what I like to do is add black on both, and then I like reducing it slightly, 1 by 2/3 and 1 by 1/3. Then you can choose the direction of how you want the gradient, and there you go, place gradient above background image, and you can see the image is slightly darkened. And then if I add a blurb, you can see the rest of the image comes into focus here. Now we've got more size. I want to take away the image, and this is just going to be a big title text here. So we're going to go up. We're going to write, who's the greatest historical figure of all time? We go to the design, change the title font to the rest of the website. We want that centered. I'm going to make it white, so you can see it now stands out quite well on the background image. Going to boost the size to 50. And then with the sizing, I'm going to make it 900 again. But if you scroll down, you still can't see a lot of the background. So what we're going to do to rectify that is we go to the blue section, click the cog, go to design, spacing, custom padding. I'm going to try 200 on the top. As you can see, now we've got a big gap and a big gap at the bottom. So we want to try and equal this out. Try 200 here, and you can still see that you can't see most of the photo. So you go to content, background, scroll down, and go top center. And now I'm quite happy with that. I'm just gonna take this up a notch on the spacing. I think I might try 180. It's a bit trial and error, but you'll get there soon enough. Yeah, that looks a lot better. So I'm quite happy with that. But you can always change the gradient. It doesn't have to be the way I've done it. You can choose different colours. I just prefer using one colour. Oh, sorry, wrong button. Using one colour, but you can use various. So, you could do blue or yellow to sort of represent the lights. You can add more yellow and then have green. Oh, yeah, right. We could use blue and you can use another colour as yellow, and you could have a merge in so you can hardly see the photo. You can make it radial, but I quite like linear. You can change direction so it comes from different areas. So from the side, moves around. So I'm just going to take that back to where we were, 180. You can change the start position so you can have more gradient from the top, or you can have more gradient from the bottom. So it's a great little tool to put emphasis on an image and writing. But as I said, I like using one colour, and I go 2/3 down on the bottom one and 1/3 down on the top. I think it gives a real good emphasis to your website.